Irwaro rya Bwera nirushango mu town council ya Mpondo mu district ya Kasese kandi Clarence ubwamba rurukuri rwa reri nagira ngo bwahati rwa reri ryine bitandiganana na mukaga konkana bice kurigera hamwe barugwa barwire.
But in the hospital currently we have 146 beds. Now even when we have increased the number of beds, still we admit most patients on floor because they come and you can't take them away. So like today morning when you came, you saw that at maternity ward during cleaning most of them had been told to go out.
Ivyo nabigambirwa ubwo dufureka byango minister wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no Ageihangwe abire narambura projects za government omuri Bukonjo West district ya Kasese ogo nagaruka gira ngo ishemerezo naryo rikakura kare.
When we go to our theater is as old as the hospital. We are lucky that when they constructed it, they equipped it thoroughly. But even when they equipped it, 25 years equipments get worn out. We no longer have the theater lights. You can see our theater table is already old. The theater itself has grown out of fashion. So they just need to be replaced. We have now bland equipments.
Godfrey Kabyango minister wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no Ageihangwe nagira ngo ibinte umwene bizakorwaho.
Is already obsolete and it needs total replacement and overhaul. I've also taken that the theater is already outdated. It needs redesigning and probably rebuilding. And to me, those are the two things I've taken. The rest, I think we can handle. The storage facility. The storage facility, that one can be handled. The expansions can be done so long as we get more money.
Elfazo Muhindo chairman w'intebe ya Katana hauga district ya Kasese arabwira abakozi ba government abatari kwenda gukora ngo bajunwe bucirikare.
Our eyes are always open. If you are a non-performer and we get to know that you are a non-performer, we shall not leave you the same.
But for the past several months, I've not heard of a case of theft of drugs of Bwera Hospital. Two, there have always been complaints about late coming of staff. For the past several months, that one is also no longer an issue. I don't think people are tired of reporting it, but I just think that there is an improvement in the staff punctuality.
Irwa rero mu kwezi kumwe ndizarasaba kaza bari kurenga 500 gasha kwa Gilbert Muhangu zo muri Kasese.